Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update. And what's going on right over here with SLP? Okay, so SLP, we did actually made this some sort of a distribution going on. Did you see that? It was some sort of a pennant that was supposed to be crossed and go up to this price level, but instead all you did is you find resistance over there, and now it seems like you've already rolled back to the downside and fall to support. And I'm going to show you the support on the 1 hour 15 minutes chart. So what I'm going to say is that this does look like a very beautiful entry. If I do extend this, you know what, as a matter of fact, let's remove every single drawings right over here so that we don't get really confused. So this is a trend line that I'm looking forward to for SLP. Okay, it actually came down and beautifully bounced off the support level. Now you really don't want to lose again this line, and if you've been following the channel, you do know how trend lines are very important. Okay, so you have first touch, second few touches right over there, some few touches here, then you came down, and look, you're finding support right over there. So I'm really expecting this thing to start popping in by today or tomorrow to the upside again. Or if you do fail, by 1st June today, you're gonna find the answer. If you start to pop to the downside, I'm actually gonna zoom in here so that I can tell you in detail what's gonna happen. So if you're looking for SLP to basically not pop to the upside and backtest and start its journey to the upside, if you start to fall down here, lose this trend line, backtest and fail, then understand that that's not a good sign. And you have to also watch Bitcoin in this space. Today's Wednesday. It's a good day. Tomorrow is Thursday, another good day. But from Friday, if you're failing to actually move to the upside, Fridays are not really good, and you might lose the trend line and you're going to go to the downside. Weekends might be bloody as well. You've already had a huge surge to the upside, and there could be a pending downtrend. But I don't really think so. I still think that it has a little bit of that momentum to actually come up here, because all you're doing is going in waveforms, right? So up down and whatnot. So hopefully, let's see what it does. You do have another huge resistance coming in as well right over here. So what I'm going to say is that the apex is by today. I'm expecting a breakout today, and then boom, shoot to the upside as well. And the next technical targets might be up here to the 585 once again. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.